Alright. You guys know this? Do you know what's this? I do in Moroccan, but in English I don't know what you call it, so... What the fuck? Behold! Behold the greatness! It's beautiful, guys, it's really beautiful. I wish you were here with me, actually, to enjoy this incredible view. I mean, the words can't even describe what I'm seeing right here. It's amazing, actually. This is located near to the place where I live. I mean, you can't ask more for this. I mean, this is what we have and we're satisfied. So, I don't know what to say. It's just beautiful. I don't know, this is just a small part from what we have. I'm not bragging about it, but this is amazing. I mean, you can't ask more than this. This beautiful nature. So what I'm gonna do next is leave you with nature, and I hope you enjoyed the view. I wish you were here, but maybe if you contact me I'll give you the address, and sometime or someday we can come here together. So I'll leave you with it. See, that's where we're going up. This is the name. I'm gonna try to film it for you, but I don't think you're gonna understand something. So here it is. Sorry because of light. Here it says in French, Royaume du Maroc, Lord, Commissariat aux eaux et forêts. C'est near Moroccan Kingdom. I don't know what the fuck that means. Sorry for the language, but it's specialized in fish. Alright, we're gonna move on. You see that mountain? This is where we're gonna go up. This mountain, made from dirt. They made it actually. So we're gonna go up and film all this for you to see it. And the man you see is my cousin. He's helping me with my work. So his name is Asdin, if you know. So I'm gonna call it for Asdin. Yeah, dude. So where we're going up? In Radin. Yeah, right, to that mountain. Alright, see you there. And that is, people, that's our destination. That mountain. We're gonna be way up there. Let's go. Come on. Dude, let's go. Come on. Running out of time.
Where? Okay.
Alright, we're climbing up the mountain. All the way up. I'm coming. You know the song All the Way Up? Yep, we do. Of course you do. What a stupid question I ask. You may notice that I'm breathing hardly because this is tough. You gotta be a mountain climber to climb this. Alright. See this? Beautiful, isn't it? Those are the fish pools. I mean, you remember the sign I showed you before? This is one of the pools where they put fish. I mean, they have every kind of fish in here, and it's beautiful actually. They didn't let me to film the fish, so I'm just gonna film it from up here. I mean, look at the nature. I mean, the God's creation is just unbelievable. I mean, basically this is where we live. I mean, not right here, we don't live right here, but we live near to here. And it's breathtaking, like Jeremy Clarkson said on Top Gear. So we're gonna move on to the other side. Let's go. Sorry guys, we were kicked out of the farm because some stupid fucking worker, and I'm sorry for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until another video, see ya.